Assalamualaikum and good day. Hope everyone in good health. My name is Hani Binti Hamdan, student from Faculty of Applied and Human Sciences. The product that I will present is the biodegradable bin. For introduction, Malaysia rated 45th in the list of countries by population. Therefore, every day roughly, Malaysians produce about 38,000 tons of garbage and about 15,000 tons of food waste have been produced. In Malaysia, mostly of the food waste will end up in landfill. It means that when the amount of garbage increase, the government need to pay more for waste management and give more room in landfill. For problem identification, there are several problems that could happen when food decomposes in a landfill. It could emit greenhouse gases such as methane, where 20 times more dangerous to the planet compared to carbon dioxide. It also can influence on climate change and global warming. With that much food waste that can be decomposed in landfill also can pollute the groundwater. When it rains on waste, water will create harmful compounds. It could affect more when the landfill is nearby. The groundwater and surface water will heavily contaminated. Therefore, the best solution to overcome this is by compost. Compost is a useful alternative in reducing the impact of food waste decomposition in landfill. Composting is biological breakdown of organic waste by bacteria, fungus, and worms. Next, the summary of invention and eco-friendly. For summary of invention, the product is using bokashi liquid as activator, accelerate of fermentation process. It also do internal container to store more food waste. The product is protect the environment where it's using the LDPE plastic. The product also easy to use and movable. The product also not use any electricity. For eco-friendly, the product contains a double lid system and rubber seal to prevent smell. Also, the bin is covered with non-stick coating for helping user to easy clean it and empty the container. Lastly, the product is using the LDPE plastic. Functions and features of biodegradable bin. The functions are, the first one is the product can produce compost and liquid fertilizer where we can use it for our plant. The second one is provide user-friendly function. For the features, there are three main features where the first one is double lid system where to provide the free smell. Also, the product is non-stick coating for easy cleaning, and lastly, the product is dual 20 liters container. Next, the prototype. The bin is made by LDPE plastic, where the colors are white, green, and grey. Next, we can see at the second picture where they have a double lid. The second one is activator bottle, where it's contain of 20 ml bokashi liquid. It's a micro accelerant mixture to activate the fermentation process. Next, it has a filter where it placed under the lid to store the food before spray the bokashi liquid. Next, the micro pump where it from micro DC 3V water pump. It to control the fluid volume to spray onto the food waste. The infrared sensor is connected to circuit board where it used to detect the food waste. When it detects the water, circuit board will control the micro pump to spray the bokashi liquid. It also has a valve system where to control the flow of fluid. Lastly, the integrated watering can where it placed at the bottom of valve system to collect the liquid fertilizer. The advantages of the product are the first one is hygiene environment. The second one is can reduce the food waste. For commercialization, the target are for people worldwide. We focus on people that facing food wasting and people that desire to reduce food waste. Next, the domestic household because the product is designed for indoor composting. Next, education institution where it involves kindergarten, school, university and college. Canteens and cafes can use the biodegradable bin for compost the food waste. Next, the food and beverage sector. This is because the sector can collect high quantity of food waste in shorter period due to nation mostly not a plenty meal person. Lastly, the hospitality and resort. This sector also can produce a lot of food waste daily. Therefore, with the product, the owner can collect the food waste and compost waste by themselves and sell the compost to agriculture sector. Lastly, the marketing strategies. The first one is word of mouth, whereby finding lay influencer in target audience and convincing them to endorse the product, and also we find the production engineer to offer credibility so that the buyer can trust the quality of the product. Next, the email and web, where creating website can serve as robust direct buying channel and also can direct delivery information over the internet because it's convenient for user as it available 24 hours a day. Lastly, the advertising. The effort is mainly on media such as Facebook, Instagram, email and web where to capture the intention of the target customer. Also, social media seems a top choice now for market the product as it low cost and successful manner. That's all from me. Thank you.